It's him and I, Aquemini.
What's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washer, and I'm back again with another video. In this video, we're going to get this retaining wall cleaned up. It's real nasty, so follow along. Okay guys, as you can see, it's nasty all the way down to here and stuff like that and past there. We're going to probably try to see if we can get this whole wall. That's a bonus for my customer that I'm doing this job to. So this is how it look. I already treated this right now, so it's starting to fade. I probably gonna have to bump up the chemicals, so I'm gonna add a little bit more chemicals to my pump sprayer from what I have. I'm gonna go ahead and get this done as quick as possible because we got other things we gotta do at this property. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more chemicals, and then we're gonna get this wall done right here. Okay, I already hit that wall. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this wall a little bit. Spray that wall again because we got some real stubborn spots, but I'm gonna try to get all this clean right here. And guys, just to give you the heads up, this wall has been wet. I wet it with pressure washer, so this is not a dry wall, so keep that in mind. You want to wet stuff down before you put chemicals in it, especially, like I said, I probably got maybe a 3% in here now. I added some more. I added some more chemical to this to make it a little bit stronger so they can take the rest of the stuff off. Alright, as you can see over here, this is starting to come off. I kind of rinsed this down a little bit, but it still has some lichen on here, which is this stuff right here. That's lichen. And what happens is, it's kind of like a hard crust, but when you treat it with chemicals, it should come off when you come back and pressure wash. I'm gonna use the white tip to finish this wall off, but I'm pretty much just gonna wash it down to that corner right over there. And after I get the corner done, I'm gonna come back and rinse it down, and hopefully everything will come off. Okay guys, let's just look back over here. We got some more bad spots we got to hit. All right, we're gonna go ahead and crank up the pressure washer, and we're gonna start on this wall and work our way around. So as I'm washing this, basically what I'm doing, I'm going across it, but when I get to the end, I pull away from the wall so that way I won't leave any marks. So go down and then pull away from the wall so that way you won't leave any marks. Don't stop on the wall. All right, guys, that's it for this retaining wall job. So as you can see, I basically sprayed it down with a pump sprayer. Maybe a couple of spots that I need to go back over. But right now, what I did was just get it enough clean so it's gonna look way better than what it is, because it had a lot of lichen on it. It's more organic growth, just like mold and stuff, but it's real hard and it flakes off. So what I did was I used the pump sprayer, spray the wall, you know, get all this stuff loosened up and stuff like that, and went back with a white tip to rinse it down. Now, when I was using the white tip, I did not stop on the wall. I basically fan away from the wall like that, so that way you won't get any marks and stuff on the wall. If you stop on the wall, you're gonna leave marks. You probably have to blend it in. If you do, see, like right here, I'm gonna show you. Right there, those are marks there when I stopped on the wall and stuff, but it was kind of tough because I was in that corner. I couldn't really maneuver that good. But those are the marks that you'll leave. So if you're doing a wall, you definitely, if you're not gonna stain it or anything like that, you don't wanna leave those marks because it's gonna make your work look bad. So as you see, the rest of the wall doesn't have that marks because I wasn't stuck in that corner. You come all the way down, it's clean. And I did the best I could because you have all this kudzu up at the top and stuff like that, and I stopped right here. So I'll probably go ahead and do this part right here, but that's when I get to the front of the house. But I just wanted to make this short video of me cleaning this wall so that way you can see how to do a retaining wall. It's real simple, guys, like I said, but you may have to use stronger chemicals than like a 1%. You probably got to use a 3% or even higher sometime. But like I said, this wall looks way better than what it did. Down, it's killing everything off and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna take my white tip and I'm gonna clean the rest of this so that way it'll match that piece back there. Like I said, this was green and this was bad too, but as you can see, this is real clean. Yeah, it's pretty much ready to rinse off now. So let me go ahead and start rinsing. Okay guys, I'm gonna do a little post treatment on this. Just gonna basically use the pump sprayer. All right guys, I got a little bit more. And when you do a post treatment on this wall like that, use like a 1% or even lower. You don't need nothing strong, you just wanna make sure that nothing grows back. Okay guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope that you found it entertaining. If not, at least I hope you learned something from it. Once again, if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Aquemini.